LDOS Holdings Incorporated, ticker symbol LDOS. We've got a 66.44 high print on this. This is going to be another one that we're going to probably give about 10 cents on the entries. Really anywhere from 66.44 up to 66.54, 55 in there is going to be acceptable as far as I'm concerned. I'm looking at a stop down around this 66.05 area. If I want to go with a tighter stop, a more aggressive stop, then I will set up in here about $66.26. Again, if I'm going to tighten up the stops, then probably what I'm going to do is wait a minute or two at least after the market opens to place my trade, since I don't want to get popped in and right back out again on just the normal wiggle. If I want to just automate these, I tend to leave them a little bit more latitude in terms of where it's going to stop me out of the trade. It's easier to handle them when there's just four, as there are tonight and there were yesterday, so that makes for a little bit of a more palatable kind of a thing when you're manually doing these. But so bear all of that in mind. 65.73 on a retracement or down to 65.89 are going to be two areas that I'm watching. And on the upside, look for that pivot line R1 to be right around $67 a share. So if you do get in on the violation of the high tick, remember that at about $66.72, it's time to ratchet up the stop loss and start thinking about when to take some profits on this. Tuesday's trade in LDOS was another one of these that just went up, got above the entry criteria, and would have just been better off it would have stayed there. But it came back down, and fair and square, it gave us the confirmation. Got back into yesterday's range, and then I had a stop, a pretty wide stop down at 66.05. It never hit that. Stock closed out at $66.24, and there's a couple places in there that we could have played the bounces on this one, but nothing got as wide as I had anticipated yesterday. And really, they're not worth taking for 10 or 15 cent scalps in my book. So this one just down 20 cents at the end of the trading session and did not really pony up any kind of additional opportunity. In the case of LDOS, it just looks like a situation where the buyers really were not coming back for the stock. They came and got it right off the opening bell, and then it just sort of flattened out over the course of the session as it found a nice big pocket of supply.